Hello, I'm going to show you how you can get up and running with the Peer program. So after you create an account and you verify your email, you'll come to the dashboard. And it's only a three-step process. So the first step is to download the Peer client, and you'll get a tick once this is done. I've already done this in the past, so that's why there's a tick. So if I just click that now and download it again, we can get it up and running. Great, let's open it. Okay, so here's the license agreement. You can just agree and continue, and it's a very quick installation process. Once it's done, you'll see the app in the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, what we need to do is we need to link this device to our devices section here. So if we click through to step number 2, all we have to do is copy this, put in the device ID, and then we can give it a name so that we can remember it. Great, done. You can see I've installed this previously because there's a little bit of a bandwidth graph here. And this will actually show you for the last 7 days all your bandwidth usage for all the devices you add here. You can add a maximum of 5 devices. If we go back to the dashboard, you can see this is now ticked. And step number 3, we just have to fill out our personal information. So if we click here, this is just a dummy account for demonstration purposes, but you just input your first, last name, country, city, and address. You can also reset your password here. And then you're pretty much done. Once you have reached a balance of $5, you can come out to the payout section and you can click this button here, request a payout. This will then go into our back system and someone will approve it within 72 hours. Great. Thanks for watching.